Welcome back, investors, to Ticker Time News. I'm Adam, and today we're talking about Tesla, ticker symbol TSLA. We're going to get into all the information that you need to know, such as charts, news, price action, support and resistance levels, buy signals, so you can feel confident knowing you have the best information to make the best investments. But first, before we get into the details that you came here to see, I have just one request. When you find value in this video, smash the like button, tap subscribe, and join our family of investors. We're on a mission to help as many retail investors as possible this year. So when you find value, you know exactly what to do. Let's get started. Last week, Tesla was up 4.69%, and this is coming off of a 12% pullback from the week prior when earnings were released on January 27th, 28th, and 29th. We had the 12% pullback. So this is good, healthy, forward motion on Tesla's stock price. Let's hop over to TradingView, where we have all the action mapped out for you. All right, so Tesla, we're going to start right here to the right, where you have the support and you have the blue box with $850.44, and it's running along this blue line right here. Friday last week, Tesla stock settled right here on this line, $850.44. It would not go below the line. So it looks to be this is turning into support. Now, the day before, we had a bounce off of the price, $840. That's important because 840 acted as resistance over here, and it acted as resistance and support all throughout this symmetrical triangle. So these are two important numbers for Tesla stock. The 840 to 842. It's acted as support and resistance for Tesla for the entirety of 2021. So with it bouncing off of $840 and then breaking through 850 and now settling back on 850, we could see a consolidation phase for Tesla moving forward. Okay, so if we back up here, back to earnings for Tesla. Their earnings missed by nearly 22%. So that was a pretty big miss. But Tesla has a lot of cash, accelerated growth, all right? So this pullback over those couple of days, over 12%, all right? We bounced back up, and we bounced back up very strong, and we got all the way back up to $880, which is really close to the $885 resistance level that Tesla has right now. So again, it's settling on 850. It could go down to the 840s, and that would be okay because there's lots of support there. If you're looking to start a position or grow a position, if you can get anywhere from 840 down, that would be good entry point. So set your stock price alert for 840. Maybe set another one for 835, maybe 830 in $5 increments, just to see if one of those can trigger for you, because any pullback on Tesla is a time and an opportunity to buy Tesla. Now, let's look at some of the highlights last week that were in the news. Number one, Ark Invest, they say that Tesla is powering through any battery cell constraints Tesla may run into. They feel confident that Tesla is going to be able to manage them effectively and work their way right through them. Basically, work the problem and be very efficient at doing so. Tesla sent Indonesia an investment proposal. Executives from Tesla and the head Ministry for Investment and Mining Cooperation, I believe, are meeting this coming week. So we'll probably have some news from that. Indonesia has been wooing Tesla, trying to get Tesla to invest, because Indonesia is the largest nickel mining place on Earth, period. And what do we need nickel for? EVs, batteries, okay? So there could be a good partnership forming there with the Indonesian government and Tesla. Also, Elon Musk has considered licensing out their FSD, full self-driving. Now, Elon Musk has stated that he doesn't want Tesla to become a walled garden, like Apple is considered a walled garden, where Google would be, or Android within Google is considered more open source. So Tesla has had talks about licensing their full self-driving technology. I'm on the fence about that. Is that a good thing? It could be, because that would be a way for Tesla to bring in revenue. All right, the next headline comes out of China. Tesla China receives approval for new model early launch project. What is that project? Could that be the mysterious $25,000 Tesla that's been rumored, that's been talked about, that Elon Musk has mentioned? Now, they're not building a whole brand new facility. What they're doing is building an add-on to their Shanghai facility in China. And that's where they will build this new model. I don't know. We'll have to wait and see what developments come out of this, but China just approved that last week. So we'll have to see. And again, that project is called New Model Early Launch Project. Google it, look it up. If you find something out about it, leave a comment down below letting us know. All right, next up is Tesla opens a supercharger factory in China. That's great. They have plans on opening 2 supercharger factories. So one is open. Now, this factory will produce 10,000 units per year. Also, could AMD be providing GPU for gaming in Tesla vehicles? There was a diagram that went around Twitter last week that appeared to show a AMD GPU connected and working with other Tesla parts. Interesting. Is Tesla going to outsource this GPU to other companies like AMD? Or is Tesla going to take the more in-house approach on creating the GPU for gaming? This gaming inside the Tesla vehicle is supposed to be on par with a PS5 right now. So that's something interesting to watch. Also, Tesla began selling their cars in Israel last week. Yes, if you live in Israel, you can start taking pre-orders for Tesla's cars. Also, Tesla did voluntarily recall 130,000 vehicles. It had to do with the entertainment system malfunctioning. So Tesla now has 3 analysts giving Tesla a price target of $1,000 or more. Now, this doesn't count Kathy Wood at Ark Invest with their price target for Tesla going well over $4,000 a share. Now, the last piece of news that I want to discuss right quick is autonomous driving. So, many analysts are starting to come to the conclusion that Tesla has won the decade. Well, it all comes down to autonomy. Autonomous driving is the next tech frontier, okay? And is poised to unlock trillions of dollars in value. And Tesla is leading the pack by miles, by years even, okay? So when you're looking at other EV companies, Lucid Motors, if you're looking at old school automobile companies and how they're going to transform, Ford dumping billions of dollars to electrify their vehicles, it's a huge market and it's going to grow. So we're investing in the very early stages. Even though Tesla stock has run up the past year, past 12 months, Tesla is up 452%. Okay, so let me leave you with a couple of points about the week coming up. Tesla looks to be consolidating right now. Again, any pullbacks are opportunities to buy. All right, just one more perspective here to look at. This is price return versus S&P 500, all right? The orange line, which is the one diverging from the blue line at the bottom, is Tesla. The blue line at the bottom is the S&P 500. So this shows that over the past year, Tesla has outperformed the S&P 500 by a long shot, all right? According to this specific map, Tesla is up 480% over this past 12-month period, and the S&P is up 16.5% over the same time period. I'm just showing you this because Tesla is a part of the S&P 500 now. So it's important to see how Tesla compares to its peers in the S&P 500. Now, one other thing I want to show you here is the momentum for Tesla, okay? This is the momentum grade for Tesla. Right now, their momentum is sitting on an A+, and this takes several factors into account. All right, the MACD right now is sitting at a 0.15, about midway, not oversold, not overbought, just comfortable. That's another sign to me that consolidation is coming, especially if you look at the MACD from, say, here to here, it was flat as well, and that was during this symmetrical triangle when that occurred. If we look at the relative strength index, all right, I mean, it follows the stock price nearly perfectly. Right now, it is sitting at 49.94. So it's midway. All right. These are just a couple other signs that Tesla is possibly going to fall in a consolidation phase. Also, Tesla, look at how much it was up on Friday, 0.26%. All right. That's a flat day. Also, looking at the volume, let me slide this text out of the way. From earnings to right here, the end of January, there was quite a bit of volume. But if you look from here, which is February 1st, and you go all the way across to here, which was February 5th, last Friday, the volume has slowed down. Look at the volume over here during the symmetrical triangle, all right? The volume has slowed down. The MACD has leveled out. RSI has leveled out. Tesla is going into a consolidation period. All right. Remember my request at the beginning. If you found value in this video, smash the like button, tap subscribe, and join our family of investors. We're here to help as many retail investors as possible this year. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.